Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to archive email in Gmail. And this is quite simple. First of all, we want to archive something, for example. So let's say we want to archive this BlockPit team email. Then we click here on archive, and right now if you can see conversation archived. Then right now what you need to do is most of the time if we click now here on more and we go to all mail, you will find it right here. But some of the times you won't. So what you need to do then is go here to search email, then click here on filter, and then we go to doesn't have, and then we do label, 2 dots, inbox, and then date within, now let's say 1 year, and then we do search. Then right now what you can see right here, it's standing the BlockPit team email right here, and this is exactly how you can find archived emails. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.